How to add a crossmark in Adobe Acrobat. First, head over to acrobat.adobe.com and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on All Tools and choose Comment. Now that you are in the Comment tool, you will see a variety of markup options. Look for the Drawing Tools option. Click on that to reveal more tools. On the Drawing Tools menu, find the Crossmark tool. It looks like an X and will allow you to quickly add a crossmark. Click on it and you are ready to mark your document. Now, simply click and drag to draw your crossmark over the text, area or image you want to mark. It's like adding a quick X. Easy peasy. Want to change the color or thickness of your crossmark? Click on it and a Properties toolbar will appear, letting you adjust the settings to your liking. Bonus tip: you can always move the crossmark after you have drawn it. Just click and drag it to a different location if needed. And that's how you add a crossmark in the Adobe Acrobat. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.